gonna be unboxing the Campbell Hausfeld 3-gallon compressor. Got it at Walmart. It's on sale for about 50 bucks. Was looking for a compressor to borrow or actually get an old one that I had back, but that didn't come through. So just went ahead and I want to get this project done on the Prelude. So went ahead and got a new one. So just gonna open this up. Biggest problem I have is that most of these at Walmart do not come with the accessory kit. All you get is an air compressor, so you have to get the hose separate and everything, and that's what I got up here, and that runs about another 10 bucks. And then I got the quick connect, that's also separate. It doesn't come with it. So all right, there it is. Cute little thing. Already leaking air. Look at that. Alright, pretty simple. Right out the box, it's, I guess, ready to go. There's not much else, just instructions, which this is a oilless filter, so really not much to do with it. Plug it in and get it running. And looks like a dry sack, and yep, nothing else. That's it. Really simple. Plug this in and see how long it actually takes to fill up the tank. It's 3 gallons. So see how fast this runs here. Alright. On off switch is right on the top. Let's fill it. Finally, it has reached max, and just a little bit over, probably about 6, almost 7 minutes. This thing takes forever. You're looking at this again, the 3-gallon tank with a maximum rating of 110 psi. Let's see, I don't see a model number on it. DCO 30,000 maybe is the model number. Let's see, or maybe it's the DK843403AV. No, I'm not sure. But either way, guys, if you're looking for something just to fill your tires up with air, maybe this is perfect. But I would say if you're going to be doing any kind of significant work with any tool, or in your using it for work on the car or something, you might look into something with a little bit more horsepower to get that tank filled rapidly. Alright, thanks guys.